Hey everybody, it's Ryan, Proper Power Solutions. Today we're going to be checking out the capabilities of a 12-volt Multiplus inverter charger, 3000 VA, which means you're going to get 2400 watts continuous. So what we're going to be doing is testing out the outlet over here, which is hooked up to the inverter, which is mounted down here. And we're going to use a grinder, a heat gun, coffee maker, dark roast, on ice, no cream, no sugar. And we got a toaster. We do have the toast in here. We might get crazy with it and make it avocado toast. I don't even know yet, but we're gonna test it out. So let's check it out. All right, so up first we're gonna try the toaster and the coffee. We got our outlet here. The breaker switch is on, so these are hot and ready to go. And we are gonna keep control. We're gonna watch the power output here. Right now we do have it plugged into the house using a 15 amp extension cord. We just cut the head off, wired it into our AC main on off switch, and then you can see that we're actually in external control, charging at about just over 1500 watts, 108 amps from the household outlet, and we're actually going to shut that off. So that's our switch right there. Now as you can see, we're back down to, we're drawing about 1.7 amps from the inverter just being on, so it's going to pull around 6 watts just sitting there on. And we're going to go ahead and plug it in. We're going to plug in the toaster first, fire it up, and as you can see, it's already starting to get a little bit crispy, a little bit toasty in here, all right? As you can see, the toast is now cooking, not a problem. Pulling about 730 watts from the batteries through the inverter and then out into the outlet, 729. To get 2 pieces of toast cooked from the box, not a problem. Now let's fire up the coffee. We're gonna do on, brew strength, strong, and brew it. We got the coffee brewing, coffee strength, extra strong, and we're pulling about just over 1700 watts, about 1800 watts from our batteries through the inverter, and we got this going, not a problem, no problem. You want to make toast and coffee at the same time, not an issue. Test number 2, let's check it out. All right, so test number 2. All right, so test number two, coffee's done. Like I said, we like the toast a little bit extra crispy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue cooking the toast. And now we got a heat gun. And we're pulling about 736 watts for the toaster. Fire up the heat gun. And these are both connected right here. About 1850. So you want to make toast, you want to heat shrink at the same time, not an issue. Test number 3, toast is still going, heat shrinking is done, and now we got to grind. So we got a grinder, we got a toaster, about 735 watts from the toaster, and what are we going to do? We're going to grind away. So, and there you have it. You want to make toast, you want to grind at the same time, not an issue. Okay, not an issue. And there you have it. So that is the Multiplus 2 12 volt 3000 VA Multiplus inverter charger.